Turning a little more, going higher another notch.
Someone will win a lot of Ethereum actually.
Oh yeah.
Go by B, just it's easier.
So I'm Kevin Brown.
Hey guys, I'll be not a judge, I'll be a mentor here.
Hi everyone, I'm Kai, I'm an electrical engineer.
I'm a big data automation engineer.
I have an idea, it got shot down before, but I'm just going to throw it out there.
That I want to help children particularly to be safe on the internet.
Basically, what happens when you die to your virtual assets.
Today we're building an Alexa app for Finder.
Ben's Coin, which is essentially an asset-backed security.
What we're doing is we're making a comparator app that compares a bunch of products and they put them side by side next to each other.
You can't stop, you can't stop moving, keep
We're working on a digital wallet app to help people spend their cryptocurrency.
We've created an integrated system to integrate digital asset management with analog, will, and estate planning.
Return X to help everyday people who don't have knowledge about crypto invest.
So if you click that, it's going to give you options on the various test networks. If you click Rinkeby, then you'll see your address on the Rinkeby network.
You have privileges that most people don't in this life. So, exactly, right?
Life is a cycle, cycle, cycle. Life is a cycle, cycle, cycle.
Winner with 5 Ethereum was Zap.